Hi guys, welcome back to Dick in the Kitchen and welcome to my first cold fall morning over here in North Carolina. My thoughts turned to what am I going to have for dinner tonight, and I came up with my favorite fall dinner, a beef stew, but not just any beef stew. How about a French bistro beef stew? So we're going to make some French beef bourguignon today, and it's going to be delicious and perfect on a cool evening. So let's get going. We begin by taking about 1/3 of a pound of bacon and slicing it into small pieces, and then putting it into our Dutch oven and rendering it until it's nice and crispy, reserving the fat after we remove the crispy bacon. Take the bacon out of the pot and we'll put it into a separate bowl and save the fat for cooking. Before we cook the beef, we're going to dredge it with salt and pepper to make sure that it's coated evenly and seasoned perfectly. We're now ready to cook our beef pieces. Our beef is cut into about 1.5 inch to 1 inch pieces, and we're going to brown it in our Dutch oven. And the trick to doing this correctly is to make sure you only put it in one layer. So we're going to divide it into 2 separate portions of beef, which we're going to cook separately to ensure that we get a nice even browning. After seasoning the beef, we lay it in the bottom of our Dutch oven in a single layer and let it brown slowly under medium-high heat until all of the parts of the beef are equally nicely browned. Now that the beef is nice and evenly cooked, we add about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and stir it around, cooking it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's pretty well cooked. And then add in the first batch of beef that we cooked along with the bacon. At that point, we add about 1/3 of a bottle of good red wine, in this case I'm using a Merlot, to the mixture and stir it until it starts to thicken. Now it's time to cook our vegetables. We add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our Dutch oven and heat it up. Add about 3 carrots sliced into 1/2 inch slices. Cook them for about 3 minutes or so, and then add in our onions, which are sliced and quartered. We cook our vegetables until they're softened for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then add a little salt and maybe a little pepper if needed. After cooking our carrots and our onions for about 3 to 5 minutes, for the last minute or so we add 6 cloves of garlic that we've chopped finely. And then we're ready for the flames. Add about 1/3 of a cup of brandy or cognac, and light it off, burn off the alcohol, and watch your fingers. To our cooked onions and carrots, we add back in our mixture of flour and beef and wine. Then we add in about another 1/4 of a bottle of our red wine, a bouquet garni consisting of 1 good-sized sprig of rosemary, 3 sprigs of thyme, as well as a handful of parsley, and then 2 cups of beef broth and a bay leaf. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and then put your cover on your Dutch oven. And we're going to bake it in the 325 degree oven for about 3 hours until it's just as tender as can be. While the beef bourguignon is in the oven cooking, we're going to take a package of mushrooms. You can use white mushrooms or baby bellas, whichever you prefer. Quarter them, add them to a saucepan with about 3 tablespoons of butter, heat it to medium-high, and cook the mushrooms completely until they're nice and starting to brown on the outside. We're going to add those mushrooms to our beef bourguignon that's in the oven for about the last hour of cooking. So just take the saucepan and empty it into your beef bourguignon for the last hour. There, we finished our beef bourguignon and you have an absolutely delicious beef stew to serve to your guests. Tonight I'm going to serve them on egg noodles, which I'm going to cook, but you could serve this on mashed potatoes, on rice, or you could take some bread and toast it and put the beef bourguignon right on top of that. It doesn't matter. Whatever you like is what you should do. Like I said, I'm serving it on noodles. Doesn't that look delicious? Just ladling the beef stew over the noodles makes me so hungry. So, here we go, just like always. If you have any friends that haven't heard about us, make sure you tell them. Like this video, make a comment, and come back and see us again next week. We look forward to seeing you again at Dick in the Kitchen. And thanks for coming.